Hello 440 farm and cattle members. Today's video we starting to tear down the baler. We're gonna do that in today's video. I'm waiting for my dad to get home. We're gonna go together. So it's sunny, we could be cutting, but we can't right now. And I will explain why. We can't cut. We can't cut because we don't have the baler. And in case it rains, then we're like totally fucked. So, yeah. I will see y'all when we get to the baler. And we went work on it yesterday. My dad was at the hospital until he didn't get home until 10:16. I'm gonna say that. My little nephew has been having a bunch of problems. He quit breathing and he's been having seizures. So yesterday we went work on the baler finally. And of course it had to go wrong. How? This. And it looks like it also leaked oil too. This is a steel fucking line. And it busted. So I got in the tractor and I was going to the gate and I thought, in my thought, I thought he was, washing it down. So we went and kind of get our hands dirty. And comes to find out, it was leaking hydraulic oil. And I'm going to show you a video of him backing it out of the shop and how big and how much hydraulic oil was spilled. It wasn't a bad amount of hydraulic oil spilled, but it's safe to say it spilled a good bunch where we had to get kitty litter. Well, we're gonna get kitty litter. Block. Yeah, move that. Nothing's happened to the coon. Still working on that. Still ain't got the parts for the fucking rate. But a busted hydraulic steel, like a metal steel hydraulic line. And it is almost time for me to cut the grass again. So, yeah. I'm going back to my mom's house tomorrow, and I'm gonna stay for the 4th. So look forward for some 4th of July videos, because either we're going there or they coming here. Yeah, so I'll see y'all next time. So buckle y'all up and send y'all away. Like I said, I'm for 40 Land and Cattle, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.